Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old Yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm just going to show off, I'd like to say 2 items, but one of them is 4, and then the other is a doll outfit. So, I am drinking good old black coffee today. I'm drinking out of my San Antonio coffee cup that I got as a souvenir. I guess it was on Navarro Street, at the corner of Navarro Street and something. I don't remember what the other street name was. Maybe, I think it may have been Alamo or something. Anyway, you guys that live out there, you'll know what I'm talking about. But it's right there on the corner, and our hotel was across catty corner from it. Anyway, and so this is the cup that I had bought from there, and it came in a really cute box. You know, I never have showed that box to you guys. Hold on just a second. All right, here's the box. So it came in this little box right here. Isn't this just so cute? Yeah, it's just a box. And, but I wanted it. I was like, I want that mug. But, I was pretty excited it came with the box because I can put little trinkets and stuff in here. And then as you can see, my cup has the same stuff all the way around it. It's just so cool. I don't have any creamer or anything like that today. It's just good old black coffee. Coffee feels so good first thing in the morning. There's just nothing else like it. So the first thing I want to show you is, I'll show you a little clip. I made some slippers for my sister. And I was just going to show this kind of close like this. This was the 4 colors. This basket was made by my sister Tanya. Thank you so much, Tanya. This was inspired by this calendar. This is the Scenic Beauty Calendar from the Dollar Tree. It's a, I think every 3 months, the Yarny Fiber Sisters are picking a winner. And, I think, you know, you have to put something in there every month. I don't really know how it works. I need to find that out again, but I was thinking it was every 3 months. It's a quarterly prize, but it's 3 lovely ladies that are just hilarious. I love watching them. They are putting on this, and this is the calendar. And what they are doing is, if you go to their Facebook group page, I will leave their link below. You can make stuff to match, and you can submit it on their Facebook group page. And then every 3 months, they'll pick a winner. But you have to do one every month. I think the person that enters has to have, you know, have one every month. The beautiful, lovely ladies are Linda Simpson, and all these ladies have channels. They're not just Yarny Fiber Sisters on Facebook. They have YouTube channels. And like I said, they are so much fun to watch. Linda Simpson and Veronica with Steals the Show, and Jenny with Butterfly Dreams. And I will leave all of those lovely ladies' links below in the description box so that you can go check them out. They are so much fun. And Linda is the knitter. I just can't remember if the other 2 ladies can knit or not. Sorry, ladies. But Linda's not just knit. I mean, she's crochet too. I'm just saying that she does knit as well. She just put out a little flower motif tutorial. So I'm not sure if motif should be the right word or not. Maybe it's just flower. Anyway, I saw it yesterday, and so go check out their channel. They have some lives. Their lives are so much fun to get into. Like I said, they are just hilarious. So go check them out. But it's the Yarny Fiber Sisters. And I'll show you this little clip and show you what I made. All right, so this is the calendar picture. This is the yarn that I used. And these are the 3 pairs of slippers that I made to match the June calendar for the month of June. And it's the Scenic Crochet Calendar. And I went ahead and made her an extra pair. And let's see, this is the basket that I worked out of. My sister Tanya made that for me. But, yep, so that goes for the Scenic Beauty calendar. And let's see, that was June. Okay, so here is for next month. Here is July. Looks like I get to do some more purple. The yarn that I used, this is Big Twist. I believe this color is Aqua. It's a medium 4 weight, 380 yards, 100% acrylic. And this color, I believe, is Grape. Yeah. And I just can't remember what yarn this is. I think it may be Premier Basic, I think. And this yarn right here is, I love this yarn, Stone Wash. It is teal, and I believe this was clearance a couple years ago. Should be 100% acrylic. Yeah, and 252 yards. So here's the 4 that I made. These are from my slipper pattern, my Sock Monkey slipper pattern. You just change the colors for your own colors. You don't have to go by the Sock Monkey design. It's just the pattern, you know, and you can crochet with your own color. I do use an eye hook for these. For all my slippers, I use an eye hook. If you like these, I'll leave the link below to the tutorial to make these. Okay, so this is the next thing that I have is, this is the Ivy dress. It's named after my mother. This is the newest outfit. It's at the testers right now. And it does come with this little swirl purse, headband, a little bracelet, and then this cute swirl dress. But yeah, this pattern will be released this week. I am the owners of Adoring Doll Clothes Etsy shop. So if you want, you know, some 18-inch doll clothes patterns, I do have a few tutorials here on YouTube. But majority of mine are patterns. They sell for $1.99, and I run sales all the time. So, you know, oh, and I do have flash drives. I have, I don't have any for my wearables yet because I don't feel like I have enough wearables to be able to put on a flash drive and make it to where it's affordable for everyone because of shipping and then the shipping supplies and then plus the flash drive itself, you know, all that kind of stuff. So, until I get my wearables built up as far as PDF patterns, I will eventually have one that's just wearables. But right now I have it where you can order all the wearables plus the 14-inch doll clothes and the 18-inch doll clothes. I have it where you can do the 14 and 18 together. And then I have it where you can do the 18 only. I don't have it where you can do the 14 only because I don't feel like once again, it's kind of like the wearables. I don't feel like I have enough patterns to offer that. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys like this. Look forward to this coming one day this week. Okay, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Nothing to condemn. There is now no condemnation for those who are in Christ Jesus. Romans 8:1. Lord of my freedom, you have covered my every weakness and failure with your incredible love. There is nothing in my submitted life outside of your grace. Nothing is out of bounds. You reach every part. God of abundance, you don't lack in mercy. You are a waterfall of unending kindness flowing over your people. Your love brings the relief my weighted down soul longs for. God, may I daily remember that there is no condemnation for me because I am yours. You withhold judgment and instead release your mercy over my life. How could I begin to thank you? I will walk in the confidence of your forgiveness, not beating myself up for mistakes I make along the way. You have saved me from a life of guilt and shame. It wasn't my own good intentions or thoughtful deeds that got me out of that mess. Thank you for a clean slate. It says, when you make mistakes, do you feel the weight of condemnation of the relief of God's covering grace? Wow, that is just beautiful. And I'm so thankful to hear that today. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this video. After I get through editing, I'm really not sure what I'm going to crochet on. Believe it or not, I have no idea. I would really like to make another one of these. This is my pattern, this cardigan, and I'd really like to make another one of these, but instead of 2 panels, make 1 back panel and then 2 panels for the front, instead of 2 panels and then seaming them up in the back. I really like to maybe make one of these in black. I really need a black one. Let's see. Oh yeah, all those slippers, they were a birthday present to my sister, my youngest sister, Rhonda. Happy birthday, Rhonda. Those are going to her. And I will probably, hopefully get to see her this week and get those over to her. Let's see, what else do I have? Guys, I really don't have anything else at the moment. So I guess I'll see you guys in the Wednesday's Whip Caddy video. Don't forget to put your pictures on my Facebook group page or send me an email of your Whip Caddy, because I want to put it in tomorrow's video for you guys so that I can show that off to everyone. You have wonderful, beautiful projects in there and that we all want to see. And we'd like to know where you're getting your patterns. So yeah, let's do that. And whatever I decide I'm going to work on today, I'll be able to show that off in tomorrow's video. That's all that I have for you guys today. So just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.